Tara!
This is the Redmi K40, o mas kilala nyo siguro yung global variant niya na si Poco F3, which is by far the hottest phone ngayon. Merong flagship chip, AMOLED screen, and 120Hz refresh rate at a very affordable price. Ito naman yung latest mid-range phone ni Oppo, si Reno5 4G. May quadruple camera setup, AMOLED screen, and it has tons of camera features na pwedeng ipangtapat sa mga flagships. So sino kaya yung mas maganda yung photo and video quality? Sa naka-flagship chip pero 48MP lang, or sa naka 64MP pero mid-range chip lang yung gamit? Let's find out in this Redmi K40 versus the Oppo Reno5 camera review. My channel provides unboxing and reviews of all the hottest phones available today. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out each time mag-upload ako ng bagong video. After all that, let's proceed with the camera comparison. Unahin natin pag-usapan yung camera composition nila and yung processor. The Redmi K40 has a triple camera setup. 48MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro cam. So meron naman siya ng mga basic and usual na camera combo na nakikita natin. It also has a Snapdragon 870 flagship chip na kaka-release lang ngayong taon. Our Oppo Reno5 on the other hand has a quadruple camera setup with a 64MP main cam, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro sensor, and another 2MP monocam. However, for its processor, it still uses a mid-range chip from last year, which is the Snapdragon 720G. So for this camera comparison video, I've made the list of 9 categories na pag-uusapan natin para ma-determine kung sino ba yung may mas better na camera system. And the first one would be the special features. Now, both phones are packed with tons of features na sobrang nakakaaliw. For starters, pareho silang may dual video feature. Dito, pwede mong i-record yung sarili mong reaction while you are watching and recording something spectacular. Say, a fireworks show. May clone feature din si K40 na pwede mong kuhanan yung sarili mo in multiple poses in a single frame. Si Reno5 naman has this AI mix portrait feature that lets you shoot a video of a scenery like the beach or a sunset, then you can combine a portrait video of yourself to make it a single video altogether. Especially ngayong lockdown and bigla na lang #boredom strikes. Kung meron ka ng alinman sa phones na to, open nyo lang yung camera app nyo and then let your creativity take over. For our very first category, both phones are at a tie. Next, we have the macro camera. Alam ko, hindi nyo ito ginagamit on a daily basis. Pero dahil halos lahat ng bagong release na smartphone ngayon may ganitong feature, then might as well make the most of it, right? When we are talking about macro shots, hindi lang yan kung gaano na ma-magnify yung object na kinukuhanan mo. Kailangan din syempre ng clarity and detail sa mga shots. In my experience, mas malapit yung focal point ni K40, kaya mas naka-magnify agad yung mga objects. Mas klaro din yung detail and mas lively yung mga colors. Mas malapit sa totoong color in real life yung mga shots ni Reno5. Kaso nga lang, mas nahirapan ako sa pag-focus while using our Reno5. Unlike kay K40 na mas na-predict ng phone yung object na gusto kong gawing subject. So for this round, I'm going to give this to the K40. Pareho silang walang dedicated na telephoto lens. Kaya lahat ng zooms are done digitally. They can do up to 10 times digital zoom. But since pareho nilang hindi best feature ito, we really can expect much pagdating sa quality. This is the ultra-wide shot. Then this is 1 times. And as we go farther along to 2 times zoom, makikita natin yung pagbaba ng quality ng image. And finally sa 10 times, very grainy na yung final result in both phones. But still, we can see the disparity sa final image nilang dalawa. Sa K40, yung final image natin is a bit distorted and mas maraming noise. While sa Reno5 naman, at 10 times, the image, although mas soft, mas nakapagbigay siya ng detail. So for this round, the Reno5 is the winner. Next category is the portrait shot. And dito may malaking advantage si Reno5 dahil sa fourth camera niya, which is the 2MP monocam. Years back, yung primary use lang ng monochrome sensor is to produce black and white pictures. Ngayon, dahil na rin sa advancement sa technology, they aid wide angle lenses to create a deeper contrast while creating a bokeh effect. This is apparent sa mga sample shots natin. Malaki yung difference ng dalawang phone pagdating sa portrait shot. Thanks to the extra sensor ni Reno5, blurring effects around the subject are properly blended, and edges are really detailed while also maintaining sharpness. For this round, the Oppo Reno5 is the clear winner. When it comes to selfies, may malaking advantage na naman si Reno5 dahil na rin sa 44MP selfie camera niya compared sa 20MP ni Redmi K40. Dito nagiging apparent na yung main focus talaga ni Reno5 is yung pagpapaganda ng camera niya. Pero surprisingly, kahit naka-off na lahat yung beauty mode, parang filtered pa rin yung mga images. Look look at these sample shots. I kinda look pale sa shot ni Reno 5 and yung mga beard hairs ko sa mukha halos nabura. Unlike here sa shot ni K40 na mas naging accurate yung skin complexion ko as well as yung other details ng mukha ko. So this round will also go with the K40. In terms of video recording capability, pwede nating sabihin na on paper, they are identical. For the main camera, both phones can shoot 4K at 30 FPS. Pero based on our video samples, mas detailed and mas lively yung mga colors kay K40. Para kasing sa paningin ko, minsan yung ibang shots ni Reno 5 are a bit gloomy. Pareho lang silang may EIS. Pero yung ultra steady mode ni Reno 5 really made a difference. Whether you're just panning the camera or walking, mas stable yung video niya overall. So for the video category, let's give it to the Reno 5. Hey guys, so this is a short sample of the audio quality of the Redmi K40. And now, yung audio ni Reno 5 naman yung naririnig nyo. Let me know in the comments which sounds better. Both of these phones comes with support for Dolby Atmos. Kaya pretty much same quality may expect natin sa kanilang dalawa. So in terms of audio quality, we have a tie. In recent years, night mode has been the defining factor in smartphone photography. Ito yung isa sa mga naging basis ng users kung gaano ba kaganda yung camera ng phone mo. A common misconception ng mga tao sa mga night shot pictures is that nakokontento tayo sa kung gaano napaliliwanag ng mga phones yung pictures. But it shouldn't be like that. Kasi dapat, hindi lang siya basta lumiliwanag. Dapat mukha pa rin siyang gabi, pero pinaganda lang. Mas okay yung mga night shots with the K40 kasi maganda yung blend ng mga colors. Hindi siya sobrang liwanag, which would make it look like daytime. And yet, the night mode made it more lively. Sa Reno 5 kasi, parang softer and unnatural yung dating ng mga image. Almost blurry na nga siya. For this round, si K40 yung nakalamang. Yung last category natin is the photo. Ito yung pinakagamit na feature. I was really impressed sa mga shots ni K40. Kasi even with the 48MP cam, hindi nagkulang sa detail yung mga shots niya. Akala ko mananalo dito si Reno 5. Kasi mas marami siyang camera sensor and mas mataas din yung megapixel ng main camera niya. I mentioned this earlier and I really upload Oppo for this. Kasi yung color accuracy niya is really on point. But as we compare shots side by side, mas na-appreciate ko yung mga shots ni K40. Kasi bukod sa mas deep yung contrast, mas lively yung colors and tamang-tama yung blend ng saturation. For this category, the Redmi K40 came out on top. So to sum it up, tayo lang silang dalawa in terms of audio quality and special features. Natalo ni Reno 5 si K40 sa portrait shots, zoom, and video. Pero overall, kahit naka 48MP main cam lang si K40, siya pa rin yung naging winner by having better photo quality, macro shots, night shots, and selfies. It goes to show lang na to have a good camera system, hindi lang yan sa dami ng camera sensors and taas ng megapixel. It boils down kung paano mapaprocess yung raw image na kinuhanan ng camera sensors mo, ng chipset and software system mo in place. So what do you guys think? If you have questions and suggestions for our next video, hit me up in the comments down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's the end of our video and I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.